If you're using Bybit and you don't know Bybit Pay, then you're missing out on free USDT for daily transaction activity you do on Bybit and Bybit Pay. Yes, because you can earn daily cashback on daily dash grand cash campaign with Bybit Pay. And in this video, I will show you how to activate Bybit Pay, how to unlock your daily dash and grand cash on Bybit, and how you can participate and start receiving cashback from Bybit using Bybit Pay. Alright, so right here on Bybit, so let's say you don't have an account on Bybit. All you want to do is to use the first link, which is going to be in the description section, to set up an account on Bybit. And once you set up an account, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you fund your account so that you can start performing activity that will earn you cashback in return, which I will guide you through how to get started real quick in this video. So basically, all you want to do for you to activate your Bybit Pay, go to the home page, and then you want to go to where it said more, click on it. And once you click on more, you can scroll all the way to finance, or you just scroll all the way down. So right on finance, you will see the Bybit Pay. All I have to do is to go ahead, click on it, and this is what it's going to look like. Now, basically, to activate it, they say get Bybit Pay ready for QR payments and stuff. Now, Bybit Pay enable you to send payments with no transaction fee, no gas fee or whatever, with just a QR code or a Bybit UID, email, or the person's phone number. You can send any crypto, be it USDT, Ethereum, BTC, XRP, Solana, to the user step easily with no transaction fee and super fast, right? But now imagine you sending or making this transaction and you're getting a huge cashback from it. So that is what I want to guide you through on how to earn from this Bybit Pay if you don't know about it. All you want to do is to click on I agree right here on the checkbox, and then click on activate Bybit Pay, and boom, this is it. Right now I've activated the Bybit Pay. So basically right here you can see I can do QR Pay, and if you want to top up, all you have to do is to just click on top up right here, and then you can deposit via crypto, P2P trading, or buy with Naira if you're in Nigeria, my country. Then you can receive, right? You can click on receive, and then you save QR code or you set currency amount basically and receive token, right? So if you want to also do giveaway, however, you can also create a giveaway on Bybit Pay, and it will tell us to the people who want to as well send the giveaway to, right? This is how the Bybit Pay works. So you can also do direct top up with PayPal and bunch of stuff. Now you've seen how it is on how Bybit Pay works and what the features is all about. Now if I click at the top right here, basically now you see all the features and other stuff you can send money from Bybit Pay, ranging from that of Solana, USDT, USDC, Ton Mint, Manto, BTC, Ethereum, USDR, and bunch of them. So if you have any currency on any of these tokens, all you want to do is you can go ahead and send the token from Bybit Pay with no fee or no gas fee or no transaction fee, right? But instead of Bybit debiting you for any fee, they give you cash back in daily grand cash reward, which I'm going to guide you through right now. And now let's say you want to join the daily cashback when you transact or do any activity on Bybit. All you want to do is to use the second link in the description section and to bring you to an interface looking like this. So right here on the interface, you can see Bybit Pay Daily Dash Grand Cash, right? And if you're still watching this video and you want to know exactly how to be claiming your reward on daily cashback when you transact with Bybit, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you're going to be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this on the channel, right? So looking basically for you to participate for this particular campaign, which is going to be earning you a lot of cashback in reward, all you want to do, if you watch, basically you have limited time for this particular campaign, and this is like 5 days from now if you don't participate. Now if you look, basically they say winning made simple, spend just 5 USDT or more every day to enter the daily lucky draw with a guaranteed prize. Now all you want to do, now these are the guaranteed prize you're going to be receiving from your reward. Now depend on how much you spend, but at least you must make sure you spend at least 5 USDT every day once you tend to activate this account. Now this is ranging from you can earn 0.05 USDT, 0.1 USDT for free, 1 USDT for free, 10 USDT worth of SOL for free, 20 USDT worth of BTC for free, 50 USDT for free, 100 USDT worth of BTC for free, 1000 USDT for free, 500 USDT for free. And all you can do is to just at least make some transactions, send out or receive payments with Bybit Pay, and you claim all this reward from Bybit. Now, if you look basically down below, for you to now get started and participate, now all you want to do is to just activate the Bybit Pay, which I've guided you through, and then start sending. Right now, once you've done that, the next you want to do is to go ahead and join. Now, how do you tend to join? You want to go ahead and register for the event, and as well, make sure you spend at least 5 USDT every day to stand in chance to be claiming cashback reward. Now, this is it. All you want to do right now is to click on register now. And once I click on the register now, this is how you want to participate. Now, you're going to bring it to this interface. So you're going to say spend crypto like cash, right? All you have to do is to look at it, right? And you can see other features it has. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on get started. Now, all you want to do right now, because you have an account on Bybit, go ahead and log in the exact account, right? I already have my account on Bybit. I'm going to log in with my Face ID, and then this is going to be it. All right, I'm making sure that these puzzles are correct successfully. And then once that is done, I'll go ahead and logged in successfully, and that's gonna be it. So let's wait for it right now. All right, so after loading up, so it's gonna bring me to this interface. So looking right here, they said view my Bybit Pay, so you can see what it is. But before I click on the view my Bybit Pay, if you look at the top right here, you could see a profile. Click on it, and looking right here, this is my main account and stuff. Click on view my Bybit Pay. This is gonna be it right now. So it's not on. So the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and send crypto via email, phone number, or Bybit UID. So once I do this right now, I've stand a chance to claim this reward, and this reward is huge if you keep on transacting with Bybit Pay and on Bybit. So this is the campaign currently going on Bybit, and is limited. You have just 5 days to get this done, so you won't miss out on these huge bonuses and cashbacks and free money on Bybit every time. So that being said, if you enjoyed this video, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you have activated your Bybit Pay. And if you've done that, comment down below Bybit Pay activated. And also, if you've joined the campaign, also comment down below campaign join. And make sure if you don't have an account on Bybit, to use the referral link, which is going to be the first link in the description section. And as well, deposit at least 100 USDT to start sending on Bybit Pay, so you can receive more reward. And also, you can also get a cashback of 20 USDT if you tend to fund your Bybit account with 100 USDT as a first time user on Bybit. And that being said, until I see you in my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and peace out.